Alright, let's dive into something mind-blowing that just dropped in the world of astronomy. Imagine this, a cosmic explosion so powerful, it's like the universe just shouted, "Look at me." And what caused it? Two neutron stars, basically the densest, most extreme leftovers of dead stars, slamming into each other. But here's the kicker, this didn't happen in some crowded galactic downtown. No, it was out in the cosmic suburbs, in a tiny, faint galaxy embedded in a 600,000 light-year-long stream of gas. What? Let me break this down for you, because this is way more fascinating than it sounds at first. First off, this gamma-ray burst, GRB 230906A, was spotted by NASA's telescopes in September 2023. But it's not just another flash in the sky. What makes this really interesting is where it happened. Neutron star collisions are like the universe's heavy metal concerts. They're loud, violent, and they're supposed to happen in crowded areas where stars are packed tight. But this one? It's like finding a mosh pit in the middle of a quiet library. Personally, I think this challenges everything we thought we knew about where these events occur. It's a game changer, as the Discovery team called it, and I couldn't agree more. Now, let's talk about why this matters. Neutron star mergers are the only events we know of that can create elements heavier than iron, think gold, silver, platinum. Yeah, the stuff in your jewelry? It was probably forged in one of these collisions. But here's the twist, astronomers keep finding these heavy elements in stars far from galactic centers, where they shouldn't be. This discovery might explain how those elements got there. If you take a step back and think about it, this isn't just about stars crashing, it's about the origins of the very atoms that make up our world. Crazy, right? What many people don't realize is that this discovery is like solving two mysteries at once. First, why do some gamma-ray bursts seem to come from nowhere? Well, maybe they're happening in these tiny, faint galaxies that we can't easily see. Second, how do heavy elements end up in the galactic outskirts? This collision suggests that these mergers don't just create elements, they blast them across the cosmos like a cosmic paintball gun. In my opinion, this is astronomy at its best, answering questions we didn't even know we had. A detail I find fascinating is how this all came together. The Fermi telescope spotted the burst, but it was Chandra, Swift, and Hubble that pinpointed the location. It's like a cosmic detective story where each telescope plays a unique role. And the fact that this happened in a collision within a collision, a galaxy merger triggering star formation that eventually led to the neutron star collision, is just mind-boggling. It's like the universe is nesting its chaos. If you take a step back and think about it, this discovery raises a deeper question: how much of the universe's complexity are we still missing? We've got these incredibly advanced telescopes, yet we're still surprised by where and how these events happen. What this really suggests is that the cosmos is far more dynamic and interconnected than we imagined. Personally, I think this is just the tip of the iceberg. Who knows what other secrets are hiding in those faint, distant galaxies? So, here's my closing thought: the universe is messy, unpredictable, and way more creative than we give it credit for. This neutron star collision isn't just a scientific discovery, it's a reminder that even in the vast emptiness of space, there's always something extraordinary waiting to be found. What do you think? Does this change how you see the cosmos? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to hit that like button if you're as blown away by this as I am.